Hi guys, welcome back to Ebony Line's YouTube channel. My name is Janice. Today I will be reviewing another unit from Outre, and it is a part of their Perfect Hairline collection. The unit I have today is 24 inches long, which I think is a really good length. I feel like it's long, but it's not too long to the point where, you know, it tangles and do all that stuff. The color I'm reviewing today is DRFF Red Velvet. You know I love a good red unit, you know, a burgundy unit. It just always suits my skin, I feel. This is a 13x6 unit, and I'm so happy about that because we don't get that many party space units. Like we don't get the 13x6s like too often, only here and there. So I was happy about that. It is, of course, pre-plucked. It did have the perfect hairline. I didn't have to pluck it at all. It was perfect. It fit ear to ear. This is actually a big head friendly unit, which I really love because it gave me a lot of lace where, you know, I could just kind of like do what I want. It just wasn't small on my head. Like, we love a comfortable unit. Like, I actually glued this one down because it was so comfortable. I'm like, and I like the hair texture. It's kind of like a deep wave. It's so pretty. I feel like they've done a deep wave unit before, but the last one they did, and it was very similar to this one. The last one they did, I didn't like the hair texture. Like, it would tangle. It wasn't soft. With this one, it's very soft. So I feel like they went back in the lab and actually, you know, probably heard us like, we need better hair quality. So the quality is A1. They did amazing with the hair quality. It says you can heat it up to 400 degrees. Oh, that's pretty accurate. I didn't put too much heat on it, for obvious reasons. It's a curly unit. Just the top, just flatten the top. It was real easy to flatten the top. I didn't have to do too much. So I was good with that. I did cut layers into it, only that's a personal reason. Like, I like framing units to my face. I don't like just one layer unit, so I always like either cut it or do some type of like style or something to it just to make it look a little different. But y'all know I love my like curly hair units and stuff, so I'm living for this unit. This definitely get a 10 out of 10 for me, like easily. I love it. I love the color. I love the hair, and I glue her down. Period. I think she's very cute. That's pretty much it. They don't say too much on the stock card. They say they have specialty colors, but I feel like it's their normal colors like that they do with the Perfect Hairline collection. So you can wear this unit glueless. I just wanted to glue it down, but I love it. That's another reason I love it. It's really one of those throw on and go units. You don't have to worry about straightening the hair, curling. You don't have to worry about nothing. All I did was cut it, and then I had added a little bit of mousse. I love this mousse too. It's like, it keeps the curls real soft. It's not flaky. So we do got that on our website as well, so y'all should try it out, and it smells good. So yeah, this is a unit, but that's all I have to say about this unit. Y'all need to go get this for real. Very cute. The link will be down below, of course. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on our YouTube channel, and have a good day. Bye.